So I bought the supplement today. As you can see, the opening. The USN all-in-one muscle fuel anabolic. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this, and my friends personally, they've taken it and they've put on size and mass in like 2 to 4 months by taking roughly about 2 servings per day. So here it is, and I bought this from Holland and Barrett's for £26.99. So as you can see, you focus. Each serving has about 3.5 serving of creatine with 585 calories and roughly about 85 grams of carbs per scoop, I think, which is 50 grams. So 3 scoops makes up a serving, which is 150 grams, and it's literally all in one. So, and this is the peanut caramel flavor. Okay, here are all the ingredients. If you just want to screenshot your pose, looks pretty good. You can literally have it with water or milk, it's up to you. I've heard it tastes quite off-putting with water. However, if you mix it with milk and water, it tastes a bit nicer. And I heard that it's a bit thick. Obviously this is the opening. However, later I would give you an update after like 2 weeks how the progress was. Let's open it. Just a moment. Open this. If I just hold it here for a bit. Just open this. So as many reviews I've read, they've said it's like half full, which is so true. It is half full. As you can see, it's half full. But it smells very nice, I must say. If I just get the scoop. Always gotta find the scoop, very annoying. Okay, hands dirty. So the scoop is, so here's the scoop size. I'd say it's pretty fair sized, but compared to most mass gainers, it's not too bad. It's pretty good. So you take 3 scoops of this, which makes up 150 grams, and that is equivalent to, as you can see here, okay, so 150 grams is equivalent, if you just see the right hand side. I also bought this Gunsmoke Smart Shake from Holland & Barrett. Pretty nice, very small, compact and small, very nice. It's quite soft plastic. It has the honeycomb inside, and it has this compartment so you could carry your scoops or your pills, whichever you prefer. So it looks like this, and it's 500 milliliter. If I just open this up, so get this little piece in here so you could carry it with you. Not bad. And the honeycomb. Yeah, the honeycomb, sorry about that. This is the honeycomb. It's supposed to help you mix it. It fits nicely. It's leak proof also, and it costs me only £8. Very nice. Smart Shake. So that's about it. The Smart Shake. This is the Gunsmoke. The Gunsmoke version. Very nice. Light and compact. So thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe, and if there's anything else you would like to see, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye bye.